Hello and welcome everyone. Today we again have a conversation with Mr. Rizwan Alam, and I request you to watch this video properly and completely so that you will learn how to ask questions or different questions and how to answer too. So without wasting too much time, start with some questions with Rizwan. So first question to you, that tell me something about yourself in short.
Thank you, sir. My name is Muhammad Rizwan Alam. My father's name is Mr. Muhammad Jamshed Alam. He's a great teller master and first teacher of my life. I live at Jawaharnagar Road number 13, Mango, Jamshedpur. And my educational qualification is now I am doing Bachelor of Science in Math Honors from Jamshedpur Workers College. And presently I am learning English from Akhtar's classes.
Wonderful, awesome. So I have come up with some questions to you that you have to answer me so that our students can also learn how to answer and our viewers can also see what kind of conversation we should have at our home. Okay? So first question to you, that have you done anything exciting last week?
Yes, sir.
What?
Sir, I practiced English and I have learned so many English words. And as I have realized that in last week, I have done so many things for my English.
Wow, man. If you actually want to learn English language, be crazy about it. Okay. Have you ever met ghosts?
No, sir, never ever. And I do not want to meet also.
Yeah, exactly. What was the last good book you have read?
Sir, I read a book. Its name is Become Habitually Successful, and it's a wonderful book which I read.
Okay. So, what are the two things you learned from that book?
First, I have learned that we should believe in ourselves, and second thing is that if we are a positive thinker, then we will never ever get stuck anywhere.
Wow, awesome. Next question, that do you listen to any podcast or what's your favorite?
So now I don't listen to any podcast, but I will start listening to BBC podcast.
BBC podcast. Very good. Nice. Do you listen to songs or do you listen to any appreciating songs, naats or any poems?
Yes, I listen so many naats and poems also. But if I talk about a song, then I really love a song, and which is a Hindi song. And if you allow,
Yeah, why not? Please.
sir, it is said in that song like पंछी नदिया पवन के झोंके कोई सरहद ना इसे रोके सरहद है हम इंसानों के लिए. Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
So it means all the borders have been made for human beings. And it isn't for any animals or birds. They are independent whenever and whatever, wherever they want to go, they can go freely. Nobody can stop them that why are you going from this country to another country. It's for human beings.
The restrictions are for human beings only. Wow, great. What is the most rewarding part of your career?
So it's English. Because when I was in school, by the time I didn't even think that I'll become an English speaker. But now, Alhamdulillah, I can speak anywhere. And so, if I ask the same question to you, then what will you answer, sir?
I believe that the same answer I would be giving, because when I used to go to school, by that time I was even unable to understand English. And but I had courage to learn English language due to the support of my teachers and my trainers and also my struggle. I could reach myself up to this extent. So I believe that English learning can help you out to improve your confidence. At the same time, it will improve your quality of communication, right? If you start speaking any language, you have to work on the style of communication, your voice tonality, your body language too. So I am trying to do these things along with learning English language. Yeah. Where do you want to see after 5 years lines down?
So, actually, I am having only 2 years now because 3 years ago I decided, and now I am having 2 years. And in these 2 years, I want to become a great English trainer, and just I want to stand properly.
Okay, you want to stand properly because you are also pursuing graduation and you will be completing with good percentage, inshallah. What is something people are always surprised from you?
So actually, shall I say, when people didn't expect anything from me, and I do that.
Yeah. This one, are you an introvert or extrovert person?
So I am an extrovert person.
Extrovert person, very good. So would you please tell us that what kind of activities you have seen in your life, due to that only you call yourself an extrovert person?
Actually, if people do something wrong, then I go them and I always try to make them understand. Either they are elder than me or in my age or younger than me.
Okay, great. Do you think that daily routine plays a vital role?
Of course, daily routine plays a vital role in every individual's life because I believe that daily routine is the only thing which, sir, which says us that what to do now and what to do not do now. Because and if we decide what to do now, then only I think, as I believe, that we can make ourselves or make our day perfect. Otherwise, we will get stuck and we will be getting stuck all the day and we won't be able to do our work completely.
Wow, nice answer. If you didn't have the job you have now, so what would you be?
So I'll start teaching students.
Means he will start teaching students. Wow, great job. I believe that if you have talent, you can express your talent. You can means distribute your knowledge with the help of teaching. Wow. What's your hidden talent?
So I only know that.
Okay, means you don't want to reveal.
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. Who is your best friend and why is he your best friend? He or she?
So one of my best friend, whenever I get stuck anywhere, then my friend supports me and just take me out from that problem.
Okay, wonderful. We should have that kind of friends in our life. Great. So, according to you, that what is the role of a teacher?
Sir, teacher, as I believe that if a person becomes teacher, I think even then he or she should have a teacher because we can't go without teacher. I am a student, so if after 5 years or 6 years, if I'll start teaching, and if it would be my profession, so even then, I am supposed to have my teacher.
We should try to find a wonderful teacher so that teachers can shape your life, right? This is also very very important. Okay. What's the best thing you have ever bought of e-commerce?
I haven't bought anything, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
But I knew that
Everything has
the,
been gifted me, but I haven't bought anything.
everything.
Everything has been gifted me. I haven't bought
Okay,
anything.
everything was gifted to you.
Yes, sir.
Very good, man. If we are already getting gifts, all the gifts, then what is the need to purchase? Okay, good. What's one thing you can't live without?
My parents.
And why?
They are everything.
Exactly. Our parents are everything for us. So we should understand that no one comes first before him or before her. So respect your parents. And I would say in Hindi two lines that अपने माँ बाप के हाथ पकड़ के रखो, अपने माँ बाप के हाथ पकड़ कर रखो, किसी के पैर पकड़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Right? Okay. Now moving ahead to the questions. What's your favorite city and why?
Sir, it's Jamshedpur
And why?
because I was born in Jamshedpur, and as I believe that there is not a single city who I can say that it's better than Jamshedpur.
Exactly. What's the reason behind it?
Because I was born in Jamshedpur, and Jamshedpur is, sir, it's known as entire the world because of our Tata Steel company as well, and it's too neat and clean city also.
Yeah, it's too neat and clean. Okay. So thank you, Rizwan. Thank you for being with us. So guys, please subscribe and thank you for watching.